This is Chris Sauer's Science Power Hour!
Brought to you in less than 5 minutes.
Today we will be learning about crustaceans. Most crustaceans live in water, but some live on land. There are about 30,500 known species of crustaceans. They are all in the phylum Arthropoda and the subphylum Crustacea. They have hard exoskeletons, jointed legs, and 2 pairs of antennae, and a segmented body that is bilaterally symmetrical. Unlike humans, they have 1 pair of mandibles for chewing food and 2 pairs of maxilla to help position the food. Females mate only once in their lives. They can spawn several egg groups from this one mating. After the male crab gets the female's attention, the male crab carries the female crab in pre-copulatory embrace. The male crab will cradle carry the female for 2 to 7 days. The male turns the female upside down, touching abdomens, and sperm is exchanged. This happens after a molting stage when the female's shell is softened. The female cradle carried by the male until the shell has hardened in post-copulatory embrace. Now, on to the life of a crustacean. The life of a crustacean starts with spawning. Larvae hatch in about 2 to 9 months after mating and are about 1/4 millimeter. They develop into megalops, the second stage, in 31 to 49 days. They measure about 1 millimeter, and it takes about 6 to 20 days to turn into a juvenile crustacean. Maturity is reached in 1 to 1.5 years. For breathing, larger crustaceans use gills, like fish. And smaller crustaceans exchange gas through their skin, like salamanders. Similar to the earthworm we dissected in class, crustaceans have a nervous system with a ventral nerve cord and ganglia system. Crustaceans are carnivores, which means they eat other animals. Detritivores decompose dead materials, and omnivores, which eat other animals and plants. We've learned a lot about crustaceans, but we need to name a few types of crustaceans. Did you know all of these are crustaceans? Copepod, crab, crayfish, hermit crab, krill, lobster, pillbug, shrimp, and trilobite. Interesting, huh? Some humans find some of these quite tasty too. Well, we've run out of time for today. So farewell, and meet us next time on Sauer's Science Power Hour!